Hello out there. Mr. Corcoran with what to do next once you've done the area model. So once you've done this file or something like it, which is my yeah. So once you've done this, what you'll notice is there is a little thing down here that says once we are done with the area model, which is the first phase, once you're done with the area model, you still have to do place value and shortcut method. So how do you do place value and shortcut method? Here's how you do it. So you're going to open up this document, which is the three main algorithms, which is, here we go. So I took a screenshot of my 3D model, and I tried to make I did a screenshot of it. I'll leave it there. I did a screenshot of it, and now you can see a highlighted area model, and the outline is orange. So now I'm going to do place value, and maybe for place value, something that's nice and bright. Oh, a bright. Oh, I already have blue background. Yeah. Oh, yellow. There we go. So for place value, the place value method, I'm going to do yellow. So I need to create it. It's going to be a lot like this. So I'm going to go over here. Nope. I'm going to go too many tabs. All right. So this is, as you can see here, I made a copy of my other document, and I called this darn dog 6 by 247 place value method. Long name. So this is what that looks like. First of all, for place value method, you don't have any rectangular prisms. All you're going to have are the numbers. Same thing though. We're going to separate it into values. So I'm going to take my 6, my 247, and I'm going to start with the original problem, 247. So I'm going to take these three. Can I do this? Copy, paste, put them up there. I didn't get 7. Sorry. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my 7 up here. After I'm done with that, I'm going to delete the zeros from 40, or the 0. I'm going to delete the 0 from 40 and the 2 zeros from 200 to make it look more like the original math problem. And the original math problem, it's in the title up there. The original math problem is 6 times 247. So I need maybe I'll take this out up here, and I'll just change it from a plus to a x. And x is one of the many ways. Whoa, something playing there. So you'll notice the problem with x, as you just saw, was x looks very much like the letter x. Anyway, that's not important. The important thing is I have my original problem, 6 times 247. And then when you do place value, when you're doing place value in math, you don't draw any boxes. Instead of drawing boxes, what you do is you take the place value, like I did here. I have 6, and then weird x. Okay. So I'm going to do 6 times 200, 6 times 40, and 6 times 7. Again, this is place value method. And as you might be noticing, it's squished. As you might be noticing, place value method is connected to area model. So I was doing area model where I did a box that was 6 times 200. And then I did a smaller box, which was 6 times 40. But for place value method, all you're doing is just dealing with the numbers. And that's important because there are many, as you get into middle school, there's going to be, many different ways of multiplying numbers. And the ways we multiply numbers, that's it. It's really hard to teach and do things at the same time, I noticed. But hopefully by watching me, this is making sense to you. So what I've done is I took my original problem, 6 times 247, and now I broke it apart into the different place values. 2 for 200, 4 for 40, 7 for 7. Now I need an equal sign over here because the other important thing about um, place value is you need you still need to be aware of smaller products and the larger products. And what I mean by that is 6 times 200 is 1,200. We also call that 1,200. That's not the answer though. That's what we call the partial product. And we call it partial product because when you are adding up all these numbers, by adding these numbers, you're going to identify the product, the total product, the final answer, in other words. So this, I mean, you don't have to line these up perfectly. Some students are really into lining things up IRL in real life and also here too. So I'm going to keep that last plus sign, that little blue plus sign over there. I'm going to keep that because I will need to add these all together. I mean, I already have added them together because I know this answer because I did it in area model. But that's okay. Now we're going to add it together. And actually, this should be blue because it's not part of the number 42. So I'll just make it black. All right. And then instead of equals, it does equal. So yeah, I'll move this over here. But I'll make this black also. So it lets the place value numbers and colors really stand out. Yeah, there we go. So in contrast to this, where I had 6 times 200 is 1,200, and 6 times 40 is 320. It's the same values, right? Same values, only we're starting to move away from a rectangles, which is a visual representation, and we're just dealing with numbers. 002 is 2, 024 is 6, 2 and 3 is 5, 1 and nothing is 1. All right, so this is what we call place value method. And now I'm going to zoom out. I don't think I need to zoom out. I need to move this though. Okay, so for me, I'm going to do a screenshot and bada boom. I don't know if you could hear that, but I'm going to do a screenshot and then I'm going to put that screenshot there. I'm going to put it right there. Okay. Maybe I can just do it. Insert image from computer. Screenshot. Let's see how I did here. The most recent screenshot is that. Woohoo! I got it on my first try. Whoa, that's too big for now. All right, and then last but not least, and I say not least because area model, short place value, those are both what we teachers call new math, meaning when we were kids, and for at least when I was a kid, I did not learn area model. If I was taught place value, I don't remember it. What I was taught was just shortcut method, but that'll be another video. Okay, I hope that helps. Okay, aloha.